I want to talk to you about business credit cards for fair credit from credit unions. Okay. So here's a list I want you to think about. First of all, I want you to think about Navy Fed. And if you're looking for a business credit card for fair credit from a credit union, Navy Fed is actually a very good provider of such a card. I mean, they actually call it Gold Biz Rewards credit card, and the card actually comes either as a Mastercard or as a Visa. It really depends on what kind of payment conduit that you want. And the cool thing we love about NaviFed is that with the GoBiz Rewards card, you have the possibility to actually get approved for a maximum credit limit that goes from $30,000 all the way to $50,000. Okay, and you have a variable APR, 14% to 18%. Really fantastic. And NaviFed is actually the first credit union in the nation, and they're all very flexible in terms of approval. In terms of sometimes they can even pre-qualify you, and if you are in good standing with them, you can actually qualify for a business credit card, but also for a business loan or line of credit simultaneously. So this is kind of cool, and Navy Fed is really good also in terms of customer service. Fantastic. The second credit union I want to share with you when it comes to a business credit card for fair credit from credit union is actually Service Credit Union, and the card actually is Service Credit Union Visa Business Platinum card, and this is a card that actually allows you to earn all kinds of points. So you can earn, for instance, 1.5 points for every dollar spent, and you can enjoy great benefits. The APR here is pretty interesting. You have 14% to 18%, and what we love about this card is that we love the fact that there is an absence of fees. Okay, so no annual fee, no foreign transaction fee, no hidden APR increases for late payments. That's really fantastic. And what we also love about this card is that you have to so with service, you have to be a member for 3 months before you can qualify for a business credit card for fair credit. And with NaviFed, it's automatic. So as soon as you're approved for a membership, you actually you have the possibility to get a credit card right away. And Service and NaviFed have military affiliations, so you got to really think about that. If you're thinking about business credit cards for fair credit from credit unions, I want you to think about BlueFed. And BlueFed actually has a card called BlueFed Business Rewards credit card. It's a fantastic card that will actually will qualify you if you have a FICO score of minimum 625. And so this card is kind of cool because it allows you to actually streamline your cash flow management. And the APR is kind of cool too. I mean, the BlueFed Business Rewards credit card has an APR that goes from 17% all the way to 20%. That's really fantastic. And so the cool thing is that you have the ability to earn one reward point for every dollar you spend, and you can redeem your points for amazing rewards. That's really fantastic. Okay, and so you can also keep saving your points to redeem bigger and better rewards. That's really cool. Another card I want to share with you here is Consumers Credit Union. And if you're thinking of Consumers Credit Union, I want you to think about the CCU Business Visa Platinum. This is a great card for a great business credit card for fair credit from a credit union. They will approve you if you have a FICO score of 650 minimum. Okay, and this card actually allows you to have a card with no annual fee, no fee cash advances. That's really cool. Additional cards are available for employees at no cost, so that's really good. Think about the flexibility there. Okay, you have individualized credit limits available for additional cards. So let's say, for instance, you want to have, like, if you order 5 business credit cards from CCU and you say, on one card I want to have a $10,000 credit limit. On the other card, on card number 2, I want to have a $15,000. On card number 3, I want to have $3,000. On card number 4, I want to have $7,000. On card number 5, I want to have $2,000. You can have that because you can actually you can pre-position cards based on the hierarchy and on the role of the cardholder of your employee. Of course, when you combine all credit limits, they have to amount to the credit limits that CCU has approved your business for in the first place. So you also have 24-hour member service with live representative during normal CCU business hours. Call 877-275-2228 or after hours, call 866-317-0355. If you're looking for a business credit cards for fair credit from credit unions, I want you to consider America's Credit Union ACU Business Visa Credit Card. Okay, this is a fantastic card that allows you to actually sort of streamline your cash flow, your cash inflows and cash outflows. You have actually 2% cash back on all purchases minus returns. You have a fixed rate of 16.99%. They will actually qualify you for this card if you have a minimum FICO score of 610. Okay, and there is actually a $49 annual fee that comes with this card. Now the first year is waived, and but you also are able to have a benefit package that comes with a card. You have a purchase security and extended protection, auto rental collision damage waiver. You have travel and emergency assistance services, and basically you just activate and make 5 purchases within the first 30 days of opening, and you can receive $100. So that's the intro bonus. This is really fantastic. Next, you have Fairwinds. So Fairwinds is a great business credit card for fair credit from a credit union. And so the Fairwinds actually has a business credit card called Business Cash Visa. And this Business Cash Visa is really flexible, very generous also in terms of the rewards it gives you. So basically you are able to earn unlimited 1.5% cash back on all purchases. And this is kind of cool. And you also have an intro bonus with this card. You can receive a welcome bonus of $500 cash back when you spend $5,000 in the first 90 days your card is open. You can receive $1,500 in additional cash back when you spend $50,000 in the first 180 days your card is open. So this is kind of cool. And this Fairwinds Business Cash Visa also allows you to have a 0% APR for the first 12 months on purchases and balance transfers. I mean, after account opening, think about that. You have a 0% APR for the first 12 months on purchases and balance transfers. And so don't forget the bonus cash back, $2,000. So $500 cash back when you spent $5,000 in the first 90 days, and you receive the extra $1,500 in additional cash back when you spend in total $50,000 in the first 6 months your card is open. So this is really fantastic. Next, I want to share with you a BECU Business Cashback Credit Card. This is a fantastic business credit card for fair credit from a credit union. BECU wants you to have a FICO score of 640 to actually qualify for this card. And this is actually a cashback credit card, as the name implies. And this, you are able to earn 1.5% cashback on all net qualified purchases. So qualified purchases means what? It means purchases minus returns, okay? So 1.5% cashback. Fantastic. There is no limit on how much you can earn and no spending categories to keep track of. And your accrued cash is automatically credited to your statement every month, so it never expires or goes unused. So this is kind of cool in terms of flexibility. We love that a lot. And one thing I want to say also is that you are able to actually have no foreign transaction fees on international purchases, no spending category restrictions. You are able to basically earn unlimited cash rewards. And you also have some money saving features and benefits. So you get employee issued credit cards with cashback earning potential. You can set individual spending limits. So this is kind of cool. This is kind of similar to what CCU also has for you. Okay, so you can you can actually set individual spending limits. You can monitor and track your expenses on any BECU mobile app or online banking platform. You have 24/7 fraud monitoring for unusual and unexpected activity. Zero liability if your card is lost or stolen. That's really cool. Fantastic. And the APR, by the way, is 16.74%. So, and it really starts there. It goes all the way to 20%. You also have American Heritage. So American Heritage has a business cash reward MasterCard that allows you to earn cash back for your business purchases. And you earn 1.5% cash back on all purchases. That's really good. Up to 10 cards available with business and employee name. You can earn $500 cash rewards when you spend $5,000 in the first 90 days. No annual fee. MasterCard network benefits Really fantastic. Now, when I talk about the MasterCard network benefits, you have the ability as a MasterCard holder, you have immediate access to the following premium benefit: $1 million travel accident insurance, MasterCard concierge service, which includes 15% savings on airport meet and greet services at more than 700 worldwide locations, extended warranties, price protection, MasterCard identity theft resolution services, MasterCard lost and stolen card reporting, emergency card replacement, emergency cash advance, and a MasterCard zero liability policy. If you're looking for the best business credit card for fair credit from a credit union, I want you to think about NASAFed. And NASAFed has actually a wonderful business Visa Platinum Advantage Rewards credit card, and this is kind of cool. And now this actually this card is a rewards credit card. So credit transaction, $1 spent, 1 point. You have cashback rewards for every purchase, and NASAFed will want you to have a 650 FICO score minimum to qualify. You have credit line up to $50,000, a competitive variable rate, and you have individual spending limit features, and you also have free travel and emergency assistance. So that's kind of cool. The only thing here is that NASAFed is geo-restricted. Okay, so your business must be located and operating within Maryland, Virginia, and the District of Columbia. So Washington D.C. If you have any question, if you qualify, you can call 301-249-1800 extension 204, or you can email business accounts plural at nasafcu.com. We'll put this information on the screen so you can actually conveniently actually contact NASAFed. You also have Genesis. So Genesis actually has a business credit rewards MasterCard and they will approve you if you have a FICO score of a 625. And so this card is actually good because you are able to use it for a variety of purposes, and you are also able to have a low interest rate with Genesis. So it's about 8% to 16%. You are able to establish or enhance your business credit. So this is kind of cool. Through this card, you are able to even improve your PayDesk score, but also your Equifax, your FICO score, your Equifax, your Experian business score also. So this is really good. So on the personal side, you have your FICO score that you can improve with this card. On the business side of things, you can improve also your business credit score, your PayDesk score, your Equifax, or your Experian Intellis score. That's fantastic. If you're looking for the best business credit cards for fair credit from a credit union, I want you to think about Andrews. And Andrews has a Visa Business Rewards credit card. And if you have a FICO score of a 650, you could qualify for this card, not a problem. This is really fantastic. And what we love about the card is that you have a low introductory rate for the first 12 months. So think about it. Think about the flexibility you have when it comes to your ability to use the card actually to streamline your cash inflows and cash outflows. And you are able to earn and redeem rewards points for every dollar spent. No credit card fees for your first year. The second year, they'll charge you $99. Okay, so but this fee is waived the first year. So you have a low introductory rate, 12 months, fantastic, and no balance transfer fee or cash advance fee. That's really cool also. And you are able actually to save money by transferring balances from other higher rate credit cards. And the maximum limit on the Andrews Visa Business Rewards credit card is $50,000. So you have credit limits that go from $1,000 all the way to $50,000. And so you have an intro rate of 3.25% for the first 12 months. And after that, they charge you somewhere from 15 to 20%. Next, you have Bethpage. And Bethpage actually has a business credit card. And this is really fantastic. We love that a lot. The maximum line of credit here also is $50,000. So those credit unions in general, they do not want to go above $50,000. But it is what it is. With Bethpage, you have multiple cards per account to track employee expense. You have travel assistance services. You have a satisfaction guarantee coverage, and you have purchase insurance coverage. So that's really cool. And Bethpage actually offers 3 card types for you to choose from. on the business side of things, you have low interest rate, rewards, cashback, and rewards points. So you have to see which one actually is more convenient for your business. And if you have any question or you want to apply right now for a business credit card with Bethpage, you can stop at a Bethpage branch or call 1-800-628-7070. Again, the number is 800-628-7070. If you're looking for the best business credit cards for fair credit from a credit union, think about Teachers. And Teachers has a business credit card. Fantastic. And the Teachers business credit card has a maximum credit limit of $50,000. And the variable interest rate here is prime plus 6% adjusted quarterly. So you're looking at the 9% all the way to 18%. And the card has no annual fee. So we love that a lot. And what I want to say here is that with Teachers business credit card, this is a cashback credit card. And they want you to have a minimum FICO score of 660 to qualify for this card. And the card is really great because you can actually manage your cash inflows and cash outflows better, right? You can make big and small business credit card purchases without tying up cash, and you are able to get the working capital to keep your business moving forward. What we love about Teachers is that Teachers is really cool in terms of giving you the possibility to actually apply for a business loan later on. So you can start right now with a business credit card, but later on, let's say you have established a great relationship with this credit union, I mean, you are able to apply for a business loan or a business line of credit, not a problem. And by the way, they also finance equipment. So they do equipment financing. So if you want to buy a car, a business vehicle, or you want to buy a machinery, or, what have you, you are able to find a good partner with Teachers. It's really fantastic. Next, you have a NIHFCU. And NIHFCU has a Visa Business Rewards credit card. So they want you to have a FICO score of 660 to start with. And so basically, this is a card that's designed for the self-employed or owners of small businesses or medical practices. By the way, NIHFCU stands for National Institute of Health Federal Credit Union, but you don't have to be in the healthcare center to actually qualify for this credit union for membership or even for a credit card. By the way, so you are able to earn 1 point for every dollar spent on net purchases. That's really good, and you earn 2x for every net dollar business category purchase, including medical equipment and supplies. And you can redeem points for cash, travel, gift cards, merchandise, charity donation, or statement credit. So that's really fantastic. And you have a low foreign transaction fee. And by the way, anyone can join NIHFCU. That's really fantastic. So what's the bottom line here? In today's conversation, I'll share with you the rundown, especially when it comes to the business credit cards for fair credit from credit unions. So you have Navy Federal, Service, Blue Fed, you have Consumers Credit Union, America's Credit Union, Fairwinds, BECU, American Heritage, NASA Fed, Genesis, you have Andrews, you have Bethpage, you have Teachers, and finally, you have here, NIHFCU. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.